Try to avoid touching the chicken. All right, so we're gonna cut the chicken in pieces, and let me go ahead and grab a piece right now. Getting the chicken out first, one piece, and we're gonna chop it up in small pieces. Okay, we're just boiling the chicken. Put some herbs. All right, you could do any kind of herbs. I even put a little bit tiny chicken bouillon because it does have salt. I'm salting it up, so we're gonna heat this up for like maybe 45 to 30 minutes depending on their heat. Now that the chicken is boiling and is done, we checked it. So you could check it by actually cutting a piece and make sure that nothing's pink in there. All right, so we're gonna reuse. Look at this, it's coming apart. So I'm gonna take all the chicken out because we're gonna turn it down to the lowest that we can. All right, so we got all the chicken out. All right, now that we got all the chicken out, we throw in our rice. All right, enough rice in there. It's gonna last us a bit. You guys can see that. We're gonna go ahead and start boiling this. If you guys can see, I did take out some water because it was a lot of it. So I drained it out just a little bit. We're gonna cover it up and it should be done in about 15 to 20 minutes. Little bit of olive oil. All right, get that going first. Cook the. We could add. We're gonna add onions if I had real onions, but I ran out of onions today, so we're gonna start. We are gonna add a little bit of garlic, all right, with it too. Make sure we could get it nice and cooked too. We ran out of onions, so but we're gonna add a lot of this, all right, everywhere. Make them nice. Don't let them be crispy. Let them be tender. That's what we were looking for, right? Tenderness. Wine, a little balsamic vinegar to give it that flavor. My favorite, soy sauce. Mix it. All right, let's add our chicken now that we cooked earlier. That paste going. We're gonna get rid of the shredded cheese. We're gonna add this cheese, all right? Any kind of cheese is good, but Parmesan is better, but I don't have any right now. But it's okay. We're gonna get some butter. This is like almost like 1/4 of a butter, all right? Gonna butter it up, throw it in there. We're gonna juice it up, give it some flavor right now. And at this time you can add your salt or peppers, whatever it is that you want, other things. But try to minimize the size of the chicken too. Mix it up. So we see the butter now, it's everywhere, so that's a good sign. That's what we want. Now what we want to do is add a little bit cream, heavy duty cream, right? A little bit, too much. It's going to change the color a little bit. I think that's enough. One more, just in case. like half, not even half the cup. Put this in here. Start mixing it up. Make everything flavor with the butter. It's gonna be our base, pretty much. That's what we're gonna do. Give that juice, and then we're gonna need one more last steam. Give that flavor. So give that. We don't want to overcook this. We want that juice, so it's the creamer. But we also want to. Might as well add our cheese in here. So soak up some stuff. Parmesan would have been better, but like I said, this is a good option. And try to finish the whole cheese. Might as well. We might need more milk if the cheese is going to soak up all the stuff. So, yep, that's all of the cheese. All right, nothing goes to waste. Might as well. So, put everything to use. We're going to add a little bit more creamer, I think. Oh, I think we have enough. Oh my god, this is really good. The sauce is really good. Could use a little bit more salt, but why not? That's good. Mix it. Oops. Should be good. Time to serve. Get some rice here. This is the rice we done earlier. Might have been. Let's check it out because I'm not sure. Let's see. How's it taste? That's good. That's good. The rice we did earlier. All right. And we're gonna add a little bit of this. That's it right there. Beautiful plate. Simple. You can mix it up if you want. Your flavor. Put some more bell peppers. There you go. Beautiful. All right, so let's try it out. First, the chicken and the rice together. Nice creamy chicken. The rice has a lot of flavor because it was cooked in the same broth that I boiled the chicken with all the flavors. Nice and tender because the water was already boiling when I threw in the rice. It tenderizes the rice immediately. You can't even see the rice, the cheese on the chicken, but it gave it a great flavor to it. Very tender, every bite. So enjoy your meals.